Who can guess what I have inside this bag? And this bag, by the way, reminds me of the one we use in Nigeria when we want to go to the market. This is the type of bag we use, but this is the smallest one. Anyways, who can guess what I have in here? I guess nobody can. I'm going to open it so you can see. I'm so excited for this. If you guess right, tell me in the comment section. Let me give you a sneak peek. I guess now. Can you guess before I open it? Can you? Can you? If it is Auntie Flo. Have you liked this video? Have you? Have you? You have not. What are you waiting for? That woman is so funny. Anyways, if you guess right, write the name in the comment. But if you didn't, don't lie, yo. All right, time for the surprise. I'm going to pinch it open with one hand. Hey, can you guess? Can you guess? Hey, oh my goodness, look at that, guys. This is Udara Mmecha. Ewoe. Look at me, oh. For how many years? This is the first time I'm touching Udara. For like, is it not more than 10 years now? This is my first time touching Udara. Oh my God. And I have many of them here. I'm going to wash this one and taste it to see if it is even sweet. Whether sweet or not, I will finish all of them. Oh my God, we call it sherry in English. Sherry. Yeah, but in Igbo we call it Udara. Udara Mmecha, Udara Wanu. Washed. Father Lord, we thank you for this, oh Lord, as I eat the nourishment of my body. In Jesus' name, I cover with the blood of Jesus. In Jesus' name, Lord, thank you for the person that brought this, and provide for the person as well. In Jesus' name, amen. My bobo. So for those of you who do not know how we eat this, I'm going to show you how we eat it. Okay, so first of all, you just pop it open like this. I don't want it to splash everywhere. So how we usually do it is we put it in our palm like this and then pop it open. I don't want it to splash on my face. You see? Okay, this one is not splashing everywhere. Udara Mmecha, you see, I've popped it open. And then this is it. Look at it, guys. Look at Udara Mmecha. Millicent, look at Udara. Hey, God. And these are the seeds. These things you are seeing inside here are the seeds. Then this one, those days we usually use it to form chewing gum. This one, the head. But I'm not going to be doing that now. This one is not bad. Wow. So this is how we lick it. You just take the seed like this. This one is 2-in-1. 2-in-1. This is the seed. The other one, and then you leave this one like this. It's not bad, it's sweet. So somebody brought this from Nigeria. The person traveled during December and came back this January and brought Udara for me. Hey! I know you are watching this video. Thank you for bringing this for me. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. You don't know what you have done for me. so yummy. Odara. For over 10 years. Oh my god. We use the back sometimes to form chewing gum. You just be chewing it like this. Give me that tissue favor. Give me my own. Give me.
Okay.
You can even chew it and swallow it. I can't believe I'm eating all that or licking. I'm going for another one. So guys, I told you can use this to form a chewing gum, right? This is exactly what I was talking about, and this is the healthiest and the most natural chewing gum you can ever chew. This is what I formed from the Odara I just licked. Now you can see it. This is just what I was showing. You see, it's just like chewing gum. Look at it. Very healthy and natural. There's no need buying the sugary chewing gum, the artificial one. This is the natural one, and this is how we used to eat it back then when we were teens. Hey, I just wanted to show you. I know it might look so disgusting to some people, but I just wanted to show you what I meant by you can use it to form a chewing gum. Yeah, I'm just bringing back memories to you guys. Okay, so this is what I have left. I just ate about 3 of them straight now. I just want to be eating them one by one. Odara. I made some pancakes yesterday. I made a lot of it in the morning, so this is the leftover. I just took it out from the fridge. They will be having it this morning before going to school. So I'm just going to warm it in the microwave. Joshua, did you say pancake? It's not pancake, it's pancake. Pancake, not pancake.
Okay, it's not pancake, it's pancake. Yes. Okay. No, that's
Honey has finished. Oh, you people will eat it like that.
No. For what, honey?
È finito la mela.
La mela?
La miele.
Sì, ma...
È finito.
E allora compri un altro miele? Ah, non posso usare quella.
Let's go. Let's go and wait for Dad in the living room.
Okay.
Guys, good morning. Good morning, my beautiful people. How on a day? I hope you slept well. So, we are going out now.
Yes.
So, yes. We are going out. So, my husband has gone to drop my children in school. So, once he comes back now, we'll start going. The type of cold that is outside there. It's too cold outside. I'm not going with slippers, so Daddy, how are you?
Wow.
Can you say good morning?
Good morning.
Is that your guanti?
Yes.
Yes. Yes, my boy. Your outfit of the day. Let's see your outfit of the day. Turn your back. Yes. Turn this side. Yes. Can we see your face?
Yes.
Yes. Big boy. Are you ready to go?
Yes.
Okay.
Go look.
See your jacket. Yeah. Wear your jacket. Piano. Good job. Can I have it? Let me have this one. Oh yeah, wear your jacket. You can wear it. Put your hand here. This one. Put your hand here. Not this hand. Put this one here. Bravo. You see, you can wear it.
Don't come up.
And put this one. Bravo. See it here. See. I should cut it. Okay, I'm coming. Hold this one. Hold it.
Okay. I'm talking.
This is one thing I don't like about winter. You will wear this one, wear this one. Wear like 100 clothes inside. If it is summer now, you just wear short and sleeveless and head out the door. Caleb, do like this. Honestly, I'm tired of this thing. The way they even sold it safe, I don't understand. If I don't put it now, he will be shouting here. He will be shouting as if you flogged him. Kele bebe. This thing we are supposed to do it once Daddy comes back, not now, because you'll be feeling heat. Our house is not cold, it's very warm. But if you don't do it, it will cause problem. Oh yeah, ciao. Say mommy, thank you, ma. Thank God. Bye. Hey, life of a mother. Eh? Dad is coming. Wait. Oh my god. Guys, I just vomited now. In a long time. I've not vomited in a long time. But I just vomited now. That yellowish stuff that is very bitter. That feeling is very bad. Very, very bad. Oh my god. It looks as if I'm crying. I'm not crying. Is the way I was vomiting. No, I was vomiting with force, so it was bringing out tears from my eyes. Oh my goodness. Honestly, I don't know what I look like. I don't know what I look like these days. Oh baby, please start coming. I can't wait. I can't wait. Don't touch everything you see, please. Oh my god. My throat is cracked. If you see the way I was pushing out the vomit, oh, it was as if baby is going to come out. Oh, hey god. I'll see you guys later, maybe tomorrow or in a few days time, okay? Bye.